in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and enable camera access on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left panel where it says privacy and security. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath app permissions and select camera. Toggle this top option to the on position, and then for any specific applications, make sure they're toggled on as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.